Probably accreditations is my guess.
Nice call there.
Graduated with honors from University of Florida. Graduated cum laude.
Cum laude?
From Florida State University. Phi Beta Kappa. 2006 Outstanding Young Alumnus Award. Distinguished Alumnus Award, University of Florida. Commencement Speaker, College of Liberal Arts and Sciences.
Hand off to the left.
Shouldn't it be alumna?
He's dropped down at the 31. Grant gets 7 yards on the play.
She apparently has.
Third down now. They'll need a couple of yards to convert for a first down.
Oh, I see what it is. Apparently, no. Stephanie Abrams has a fan who apparently has like a daughter who decided to go as Stephanie Abrams.
For Halloween?
Mm-hmm.
What? Huh? Do they? Huh? How Lions?
From their own 37-yard line.
On the 35.
Good coverage downfield. He's wrestled down at the 45. Gain of 8 on the pass. So that will make it second down.
Oh, it's down here. What would you like to know about Stephanie Abrams? Question. What are your favorite vacation spots? Answer. My favorite vacation spot is the beach.
Wow, that's a typical one.
Goes through his
But
progression.
it's hot.
Beach is usually hot.
What?
Beach is usually
Knocks it
hot.
down, incomplete.
Anywhere educational, national parks,
Discovery
receiver on the play.
places that like that where you can learn something about the present or past, or visit another country. I love traveling and learning and seeing our country and other countries.
How about Australia?
That brings up another third down attempt. Griffin gets the carry.
Here's a guy that typically is in
Question:
there just
do you
a
love
lot,
or hate
but
winter?
he does get an opportunity to carry the
Answer: I
football.
was born and raised in Florida, which should answer the question if I love or hate winter. I don't like to use the word hate, but I do prefer the warmth over the snow and temperatures above 70. I don't know if northerners really have thicker blood, but my blood and skin
The halfback
and
with the carry.
any other natural insulation I have is as thin sliced turkey. Random, I know, must be hungry. Mainly, I just don't enjoy feeling cold and loading on lawyers. But it is what it is, and that's just what we have to do.
Don't you like wearing a bikini?
Yeah. I do think one of the reasons we have winter is so we can appreciate the summer. Of course, we need it for the natural cycles to occur and Earth it to exist as it does. But if it were up to me, we would all be in flip-flops and tank tops here with like 5 exclamation points.
Sloppy play right there. The one thing you learn as an offensive player is you can't give away yards. They are just too hard to come by.
They show interesting.
Yes.
The Packers are putting together a good-looking drive here. That's their third first down.
See you on Friday?
Yes. He was a guy that I acquired in the middle of season 2. I got rid of a rookie guy who was rookie. Deion White.
Deion Sanders?
Who was like rated in the mid-60s, and he's rated like 78.
Let me guess, that other guy's potential was a D or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Hey, guess what?
Tevin Hendricks getting 4 yards.
Yeah.
I'm surprised because I discovered that Tevin Hendricks was a 5th round draft pick in my first draft. And he ended up exploding on the scene as a rated 82 rookie. And now he's rated 88. And he's one of the cheapest guys I have.
I like when the really good players ask for a little money.
Well, he's still on his first contract, which I also made exceedingly long. i.e. 7 years.
I'm seeing something different.
Maybe he'll hold out. I don't know. He's on base for about 800 yards.
He's on trace for
And he's number 2.
5,422 yards.
Ryan Grant's on pace for 1905.
You know,
Yes, he is leading the NFL.
I would bet you that
Hands off to the back, and he's in.
if these guys really,
He's also leading in rushing touchdowns so far. He has a little bit more than Ryan Grant.
if these guys really got those many
The Packers scored the game's
yards
first
in real
touchdown.
life,
In rushing yards, yeah, that's possible.
I think that by the time they retire, they'll be missing parts of their leg muscles.
Happened actually last year, as in 2009 and 2010. Chris Johnson of the Tennessee Titans had 2,006 yards,
And
which
too bad it wasn't 2010.
which kind of prompted him to get a 9-down rating in this game. Anyways, question: what is your most memorable weather moment? The
When I
answer:
was born.
my most memorable weather moment is Hurricane Katrina.
Collects it at the center.
Not surprising.
I will never forget what the satellite picture looked like before and during landfall, and I will never be able to forget what it looked like in Louisiana and Mississippi. I was in Gulfport, Mississippi the day after the hurricane hit, and I had never seen destruction
He
like
rolls
that
out to his
before.
right.
Casinos were picked up and moved.
Is one of the most
Homes were no
passers
were
in
no
the
longer.
NFL, so when he's
Roads
sticking
were
out on a
unrecognizable.
range like that,
Buildings
you're
were
like,
gutted.
check this out.
A boat was jammed into the first floor of a hotel. It was hard to realize that essentially wind and rain did such damage. It was also weird to look at the Gulf and see it so calm and peaceful and know within the last 24 hours it was angry, about 28 feet higher and destroying lives and property.
Finds a way to get rid of it as he's hit.
Question: have you ever experienced a tornado?
Down the field, 6-yard gain, and,
Answer: I've covered the aftermath of several tornadoes, the worst being EF4s, but there was one time while I was in Illinois when the sirens went off and the sky was black. We were in the middle of doing live shots when